Daily conversation practice with Peppy.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine too.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where do you live?
I live in USA.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Are you busy now?
No, I am not busy now.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Don't forget to subscribe and catch the next video.